We're here today at our 4th annual Moms camping trip in Gladwin. I was lucky enough to connect with the first 6 moms that had fetal surgery at Mott.
When I was on bed rest after the fetal surgery, I got connected with Erica, who happens to be the fetal surgery number 2. We were number 3.
It started out as just us fetal surgery moms, and then it's growing.
So through the Mott system, we've connected.
And so we decided that we wanted our children to experience like the community of having kids that had the same thing that they did, but they have a common bond. And so we decided a camping trip would be fun.
When the doctors tell you the worst case scenarios, you get scared to death. Cruz is now a very happy, strong boy. He does everything independently. You just gotta look for the future. You gotta be positive and know that it's not always the worst case scenario that comes out.
From the moment we got to Mott for our first appointment, we were blown away by the kindness and the professionalism that we had there. They were so pivotal in getting us to the point of, when we got there to where we are now. Kids with Spina Bifida are resilient, and they are stronger than any person I've ever known. I watched my son have spinal surgery, and within 4 days' time, he's standing, he's walking, he's talking.
The kids are their own inspiration. I mean, they really, truly are.
My biggest thing is just don't give up. Don't give up hope. These kids are invincible. They're amazing. It was a very scary journey, but I would do it again tomorrow.